Can you please tell me what's going on? Why can't you confide in me? You've been acting strange since morning, and I'm no longer comfortable with it.
I'll be fine.
That is not what I want to hear.
And what do you want to hear?
You're my husband, and I'm your wife. I desire to know what the problem is, so that I can at least render my support. When did you start hiding things from me?
Fine. I just lost a contract of 100 million. A contract I invested over 20 million naira. My hard-earned money. All gone. Are you fine now? I thought as much.
Are you mad? Are you going nuts? Why would you go to my friend to paint me black? Oh, Dad, I didn't paint you black. I only said the truth. What truth are you talking about? You're good for nothing, man. I'll kill you. God, are you mad? Have you lost it? You slapped me. I will slap you again and again. Titi, what evil has gone over you? This is the first time you're raising your hand at me. I will beat the madness over you. So you now talk to me anyhow because I've been too soft and too caring to you as a man. See, today marks the end of this nonsense. If you try it again, I will deal with you squarely. Nonsense. Bishop Anywhere will kill you.
Can you hear me? I said number 12. Number 12, yes. Okay. Now who?
Are you sure you're ready for this? Are you sure?
Yes, Mommy. I am ready.
I can feel the pain in your heart. I pray you find peace after this. I cannot alter your decisions. All I want is your happiness.
Thank you, Mommy. I love you.
I love you too.
Please, take good care of yourself.
I will, Mommy. I'll see you soon. Okay.
Stop. Listen, I am sorry about my behavior yesterday. My emotions got the best of me, but I promise this will never happen again.
You acted really weird. I've never seen you act like that before. I couldn't stop thinking about it.
Hey, think no more, okay?
Please don't act like that again.
And I promise you, I will never act like that again.
Okay.
So how's my baby doing?
It was fine now that Daddy's back to his senses.
Oh yeah? I can see her dancing and partying in there.
Oh. Yeah, right.
My love, I have to go, okay? I'm running late.
Oh, it's okay. So, here.
I'll see you when I get back.
All right.
Take care of yourself.
All right, you too.
Bye, darling.
Bye.
With this young guy, what did they do with Oga's second wife? I must find out. Me, on your come, on your rain everywhere. I trust myself now. Not this one way when I do here with it. I must find out. No, it's not even by Banky Yankee. I trust myself.
Baby, our plans are really, progressing.
You can say that again. Yes. There's something I want to do soon. I want to convince him to employ you here as a cook. You know this is my cousin for my cousin and all the rest. And then once you're here, boom, we have the whole time to ourselves. We enjoy and explore. Then you will not miss me anymore.
And he will not even find out that the baby you're carrying is not his.
Shh! People don't talk like that. Okay. Shut up. You want people to know? I'll say.
I give up. I give up.
Who is killing you? Please, see. By the time I am done with him, by the time we are done with him, he go agree. I will squeeze him, drain him, take out all the red blood cells or fuzzy white blood cells. He can't breathe anymore.
I trust you, I trust you. And after that, we then poison him to death.
Shh! Baby, the walls have ears. You don't say things out like that. Please be careful.
I give up. Okay.
Why is giving up? Is there a gun to your head? Stop it, you're so funny. Alright, so what would you take? I want to get you something to take, then you relax and then we now hit it hard. Anyway, nobody's here, you know. I've missed you. You need to refresh the baby's head.
Alright, you already know my brand, so you just do justice.
I don't have your brand. I give you what I have and you take it because you love me. In it.
Okay, alright, I'm waiting.
Alright, baby, I'm coming.
Alright. Wow. What a beautiful home.
Sitting down here, looking at you like a mirror. It takes me to the past. Yeah, years ago. Baby, you remember. Baby, you remember the good times we shared. Can't get off my mind. Can't get off my mind. Off my mind. The good times we shared. Can't get off my mind. Off my mind. Off my mind. I remember how we used to play our love all these years. I remember how we used to play our love all these years. I feel like crying, 'cause loneliness has taken over me. I feel like
Mirabel! Where's this woman and my food? Mirabel!
My husband.
Hurry up!
Oh, my husband, I'm coming.
I'm very famished like this. You came empty-handed. The dining is still not set. How's my food not ready?
My husband, take it easy. Your food will be served very soon.
I am the man of this house. Do what a wife should do. Kneel down. Funny. I'm your husband.
My husband, I am sorry. You know I love you.
Oh my God, babe! You look so funny!
You women are really suffering. Can you imagine? I couldn't even stand the heat.
Now you see what I look good for you. I mean, I try my best to do good for you.
But you know what? You can be a good actor.
Oh, really?
Oh, yes.
So I can call myself the best actor in the world.
Mirabel, lay down.
Sorry, your food is not ready.
Baby,
What?
I want you to know that you are the best thing that has ever happened in my life.
Thank you so much.
I love you so much.
I love it.
And I will never turn my back on you.
Oh, never. Turn my back. Well, check it out, man. Guy, I cannot be wearing this thing, though. What's this?
I will
Now
not
try it.
Thank you, baby.
Thank you for loving me. I love you so much.
Same here.
Can you smoke me out?
What are you holding like this?
Actually, your
This one is
night
down.
wear.
Look at my dress.
Baby, please too fast. Let's go fast later.
I'm hurrying. I cannot find the car key. Wife, did you see the car key? Eh?
Baby, you ask too many questions.
Why did I keep the car key? What is it?
Baby,
Huh?
baby,
What?
the baby.
My baby is coming. Okay, hurry up. Hurry up. Wait, don't carry it. Come on, carry it to the hospital. Let's go. You have to hurry.
Baby,
Yes?
why did you put this in me?
Oh, I'm married to you and my wife, so you have to give birth to a baby for me. Eh?
It's not good.
Let us go to the hospital. They will tear your tummy like this and bring out my baby. My own baby, yes?
Where are you talking about?
Do you hear me? To the hospital. They will tear your tummy.
You the man.
Hey!
What? Eh? What's embarrassing us? Stop embarrassing us.
What is this?
Now you know what women go through.
To give birth to our baby.
It's not easy.
That is not.
Please, can you stop it? Stop it.
What?
But seriously, you women are trying. It's not easy. Any man that curses his wife or mother, God will never forgive that person.
Any man, of course.
I can never be a man, seriously. Oh, baby,
Just
thank you.
Just like I've always said,
Yeah.
you are the best thing that has ever happened in my life. Thanks for being my wife.
Thank you for being my husband.
Thanks for being my everything.
Thank you for being my everything too.
I love you so much.
I love you too.
Can you just give me that voice? You gave
What
me.
boy? Thank you for being my husband.
Very good.
The good times we shared. Can't get off my mind. Can't get off my mind. Off my mind. The good times we shared. Can't get off my mind. Off my mind. Off my mind. I remember how we used to love all these years. I remember how we used to play our love all these years. I feel like crying, 'cause loneliness has taken over.
Hello, Henry. What? Alright, just send the video in my WhatsApp messenger. Now. Okay.
It's over, mommy. It's over, mommy. I'm not a single woman again.
That's okay.
Henry! Henry!
Okay.
Please come, very fast. I said fast! Take this.
Okay. You just paid me 2 days ago. You can't give me another money. Oga. My family depend on me. Oga, beg not sack me now because as anything where I don't do bad, please forgive me. Please. Because
Henry, stand up. Stand up. I said stand up. You know I cannot sack you. I just want to be generous. But I want you to watch over my new woman.
Huh?
Yes. I want you to dictate her movements. Most especially her phone calls. I promise I'm going to pay you more if you get a useful information about her.
Oga, if I say they suspect this woman.
Can you mind your business?
Sorry, sir.
Anyway, I want you to be very smart. She must not know about this. Else, you will be in a hot soup. What did I say?
Yes, I will be in a hot soup.
What did I say again?
Yes, I will be in a hot soup.
Again and again?
Yes, I will be in a hot soup.
Thank you.
Oga, trust me.
tell me that you're still thinking about Mirabelle? Come on, come on. You guys are divorced already, officially. Yeah, so why think about her? She's in your past now. So let everything that is in the past be in the past. Okay? Okay, Judas?
No problem. Yes, baby.
Baby, there's something I want to discuss with you.
And what could that be?
I have this cousin of mine. He's a chef. I would want to seek your permission for him to come resume work here. Because you know, the doctor said, Madam, please do not go through stress because of your unborn child. So he or she would not be harmed. So I need to obey doctor's advice.
Well, no problem. He can start work tomorrow.
Ah!
Yes.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, my love. You're spoiled. Can we go inside?
No.
Very secure. Are you expecting anybody?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma.
Good
Good morning. Sweetheart, that's the cook I told you about.
Oh.
Yes, he's my cousin. How is my uncle?
He's fine, ma.
Oh, good.
All right, you are highly welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Baby.
Yes.
Take him to his room.
Oh, okay.
All right. Wait. All right.
Thank you, baby.
Thank you, sir.
Now you are welcome. Hey, what are you doing here?
Okay. You see this your woman? She sabi lie. This person where she carry come tell you say him being cousin. Now full package of lie be that. Okay? This boy no even relate with him at all. Anyway.
Mind your speech. Do not be reckless with your statement. I know what I'm doing.
Eddie Logam. You sure say this girl never jam my oga? I go to tell him the truth. Doing the work of it that sent me in this house. My oga slapped me. No problem. Mind your speech. Mind your speech, Metronogi.
Here you go, girl. Thank you so much for coming over to see me. I really do appreciate.
You're welcome. But I'm really worried. I was shocked when my husband told me that you and Jude are divorced. I know that you suffered a lot of domestic violence with him. But I also remember that you told me that he had changed.
I did, yeah? Well, he changed and became a better man. Or so I thought. Until I found out that his secretary, Tracy, was pregnant for him.
What?
Yeah. That's the exact expression I had when I got the information. Tracy is carrying Jude's child. But your husband is aware of everything. He didn't tell you?
No. Nobody mentioned any of this to me.
Oh, take it easy. You know what? Jude, my ex-husband, has got 3 children from 3 different women.
Holy Mother of God! You don't say! This is unbelievable.
I was so angry that I confronted him. No, husband. You cannot. I say you cannot run away from this particular question. You must answer me, Jude. I need the truth from you. Tell me the truth. Do you or do you not have 3 children with 3 different women? Answer me.
Mirabel.
Yes?
Why are you pestering my life? Why? Who is feeding you with all these lies?
Oh, these lies you say. Okay, how about this? What about Tracy, your secretary? Tell me, is she pregnant for you or not?
I don't know what you're talking about.
How dare you? Oh, Jude, you look me in the eye and you lied to me, you bloody liar. Now for your information, I hired a private investigator to confirm this fact for me. So you're lying! You cheated on me! You're
Sit down!
No, not so!
You raise your hand on me!
I will do it again! Jude pushed me to the wall. His hands on my neck, literally choking me to death. Monica, I felt this severe pain in my womb. And then we looked down. My leg blood was trickling down. I lost my unborn child that day because of his lies. The love I had for Jude died instantly. He killed my unborn child. Oh my God, every day I die literally over the thought of my baby. Look at you. Look at you carry your child. I've lost everything. I lost my baby. I lost my husband. Back to my mother's house. George! That man messed my life up.
Oga, you sent for me.
Henry.
Okay.
You know it's been long you saw your people.
Yes, sir.
So I want you to travel home to see them. Hmm? Here is 20,000 naira for your transport.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Oga, God go bless you. Even when you get plenty blessing, He go to shower you with more blessing. See, Oga, if you be governor and president of this country, every Monday and Friday na public holiday, you go to dash holiday anyhow. They dash am to people.
Henry.
Oga.
You will never cease to amaze me.
Thank you, sir.
Well, thanks for the compliment. Please, you must leave very early, okay?
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Chai. Hey. I dey tell people say this gate man work na him be the best work so far. Since as my oga dey even tell me go holiday. No be say na me dey ask am o. Na him dey tell me go holiday. If there is any other work that is bigger than gate man, no give me o. As far as this house is concerned, na me still be number one. Hey!
Why are you wearing that look? It doesn't suit you.
When did you start hiding things from me?
I don't understand. What do you mean by that?
Why did you not tell me the full story behind Mirabel and Jude's divorce?
Oh, baby, please, I beg you. Not tonight. Must you know everything? Besides, there's certain things you must not bother yourself with. Especially about people's marriages.
Well, Mirabel is my friend.
And fine. Go ahead and ask her.
Well, she told me everything today. And I felt really bad.
Well, it's a good thing she finally told you. It's a good thing it came from her. But what I do not understand is why you always have to blame me for things that have no business with me. Why?
Sorry.
It's alright. I forgive you. But please, you have to learn to think before you react to things I have no business with. Okay?
Okay.
Let's go to bed. Please put up the light.
This is so good. This is real good, you know. Be careful. Okay. So, are you sure that your man is not going to come back?
Who? That bonfu. That mugu. That's idiot. Come back to where? Please, I beg. This afternoon, he traveled to Enugu. That is a dumb this man.
Okay.
I beg. You should stay there.
That idiot is such a fool that he could not even dictate what has been going on behind closed doors.
It's a mugu now. What does he know?
What a beautiful couple. My nicknames are now Mugu, Foolish Man, and Stupid Man. What? No secret is hidden under the sun.
Sweetheart, I can explain. It's not what you think. I can actually explain. It's not what you think.
Can you go to your WhatsApp and see the video I sent to you? Who is now smarter?
You will not live to tell this story.
What a beautiful revenge. The fruit both of you just ate was poisoned by me. You can scream down the whole building. Nobody is going to hear you. My gatekeeper, who should have heard your scream, I sent him away so I can carry out my mission.
The police will arrest you!
The police will not have any trace. Your next one, do not play games with the devil himself.
Why the scream? Come on, baby, talk to me. What did you dream about?
Nothing. I was being chased by a masquerade in my dream.
A masquerade? Now that's a bad dream. And we need to pray about it. Okay?
Sitting down here, looking at you like a mirror. It takes me to the past, years ago. Baby, you remember. Baby, you remember. shared. Can't get off my mind. Can't get off my mind. Off my mind. The good times we shared. Can't get off my mind. Off my mind. Off my mind. I remember how we used to play our love all these years.
So, that was what happened in my nightmare. Oh my goodness. I perceive danger. Bad omen I see. I think God is trying to tell you something about your husband.
My husband?
Yeah.
My husband is a very good man. He cannot even hurt a fly. Anyway, most dreams don't happen as they appear.
Then I will take you to my pastor.
Mom has spoken.
Open the gate.
Sir, okay. Hello, Jack.
Jesus! Jude! How the hell did you get in there?
I want 10 million naira to be paid into my account before 6 hours.
For how long will you continue to blackmail me like this?
As long as it pleases me.
We used to be best friends. You were like a brother to me. Why have you decided to mess our friendship up?
Jack, you destroyed us, remember?
Well, I'm sorry about that. When will you ever forgive me for everything?
You have 5 hours, 58 minutes to pay in the money. Else, your wife will know everything about us.
Jude.
Sister Monica, as I was praying, I saw you in deep pit, helpless and unconscious. All of a sudden, a big python came out with its fellow python and he ordered his friend to strangle you to death. The python coiled around you. Within a twinkle of an eye, I saw you walking in darkness, rejoicing as if all is well.
Pastor, how do I comprehend all of this?
You need to go into praying and fasting for at least 6 a.m. to 12. You must wake up every midnight and pray for God to reveal what you need to know. And don't be offended. I will pray along with you. But fear not, God is with you.
Let us pray. Heavenly Father, behold your daughter. Please answer her. Help her.
Jude, what are you doing?
Baby.
Don't touch me! What are you doing in my house?
Well, I actually came to see my newborn baby. Our baby.
You came because of my newborn baby. As what?
Why are you talking this way?
Jude, you actually have guts. You have a lot of guts to actually walk into my house to ask about a child you don't know anything about.
Bianca, why are you talking this way? Have you forgotten that I have been in China for good 4 months? I just came back 3 days ago. So please, let us not quarrel. I just want to see my new baby.
Jude, you are such a good actor. You should actually join Nollywood and act movies for them.
Please, just permit me to see my baby. I am begging you.
Jude, you really hurt me. You really hurt me a lot.
I am sorry if I did hurt you. Thank you. Thank you.
Let me get the baby for you.
Okay.
Relax.
All right, thank you.
If you don't get out of my house, Ada, stop it. Bianca, stop it. What's wrong with you? If you don't get out of my house, Jude, I will pour you hot water. You bloody liar. Get out of my house!
It's fine.
Get out! This you hear her. Anta, this guy has guts! Yeah. Stop crying over that guy. Stop crying. He has the guts to walk into my house and ask me about my child. Just move on. Let it go, okay? Just let it go. Look at what this bastard has turned me into. I'm a less guts to leave that guy. Leave him. He doesn't deserve you. No problem. I cannot believe this. So you mean Gina moved her luggages out of the house? Meaning that she's done with the marriage?
It's obvious. I wanted to keep this to myself, but decided to let you know about it.
Gina is not thinking. She's not thinking straight. Gina is out of her mind. I would definitely look for her and talk some sense into her.
No, please don't worry about it. Please. I mean, it's a life decision. I don't want you to get involved in this, please.
But Gina is my friend.
See, Monica, please. I'm begging, don't get yourself into this. Don't worry about it. See, you can take a horse to a river. You cannot force that horse to drink from the same river. Everything in life happens for a reason.
have 5 hours, 58 minutes to pay in the money. Else, your wife will know everything about us.
As I was praying, I saw you in deep pit, helpless and unconscious. All of a sudden, a big python came out with its fellow python. You need to go into praying and fasting for at least 6 a.m. to 12.
Imagine how happy he is with his wife. the saddest thing about betrayal is it never comes from your enemies. But it is better to have enemies who honestly tells you they hate you than to have a backstabber as a friend. Jack, the only way I can let go the past is to cripple you financially.
Okay? I don't resume. Okay, I have resumed work. Okay, ever since I came back, I have not seen a second madam and her boyfriend.
Do you expect me to still keep them under my roof?
Henry, you two they talk too much. Eh? Now who asked you to ask this question? Now you don't provoke Oga now.
Who told you that?
Oh, that is not important. I need the truth from you, please. You are his best friend. All of a sudden, my husband became a total stranger. I mean, he lies a whole lot. Only God knows the kind of trauma I have been passing through. I am tired. I don't want to die early of HBP because of his reckless life. No, please talk to me. I need to get these assumptions off my head. I need to know what I'm doing, what is happening. I beg you, please just talk to me. Please.